What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. We are going to install one of those awesome lit ST logos for this Focus ST. And the stock logo, which is this guy, is usually right here on your front grille area. Okay, so here's your stock logo. You need to remove this first. So use a powerful hair dryer and heat up this region. You may want to put it on a bench or something so you don't have to sit here and hold it for several minutes. So you want to remove the existing logo right here. So once you heat it up nicely, then you can use a slim screwdriver or a knife or something, and you'll get up underneath it and pry off the old logo. There'll be a good bit of foam adhesive backing left over that you need to clean off as well. So you may want to keep heating it and then use maybe some sort of razor blade or something really slim that you can remove all of this on and then clean it completely. Maybe you want to use contact cleaner or something, brake cleaner maybe, to get the rest of the adhesive off that I've not done yet, but you'll want to do that. Then, per the instructions, this is the stencil that comes with it, and you'll need to peel off the backing tape of this stencil, and then you want to place the stencil exactly where you want the lighting to come through the grill. Okay, so we'll do that real quick. Okay, see the stencil comes with backing tape that you'll peel that little strip off and then stick it on there. And now we're going to draw on the inside of here. You're going to draw how you want to cut the opening for the light. Like here's the light that comes with it. That'll go behind the grill pointing this way, and it also will adhesive stick to the back side of the grill. Okay, but you have to cut this opening first. So you can use like a paint pen or something, a sharp pen, or maybe just a sharp object that you can draw exactly on the inside of this stencil. And then you're going to need probably a Dremel tool is what they recommend. So you'll need a Dremel so that you can do this nice and clean to cut out the opening the way you want it. Okay. Now the instructions say you have to remove the front bumper to do this whole project, which we're trying to avoid doing. We're trying to avoid removing the bumper. So if you can do this cleanly, get this cut out cleanly, then you'll peel off that stencil. It'll leave an open hole that you're going to have to find a way to maybe go up under the bottom of the bumper to get it to stick, and peel this adhesive off, and it'll stick behind the grill area so that the lighting would come through. Okay, and then your final logo, that's the little colored clear area of the ST logo, will then stick permanently on the outside right here. So I'm going to use just a Sharpie here, and I'm going to draw on the inside. Just draw exactly what your shape shows you here. Okay, you can use any kind of pen, paint pen, maybe a sharp, a pick or something, so that you can leave a mark inside there. I'll probably use a pick. Okay, and that'll be the hole that you're going to cut out, is on the inside right in here. All this is going to be removed. Okay, here's the rest of it here. This will be the controller. Now this you need to run, have to go all behind here. So your wiring will come up through the engine compartment area. And it looks like you can plug it into any 12-volt source. So you can probably just plug the positive and negative to the battery. But if you really want to get nifty with it, you might want to connect it to a 12-volt switched source so that the light only comes on when the car is turned on. Or you can use your, the app that'll come on it. It's got a Bluetooth app, so you can turn it on and off and change colors and whatnot. That'll come out of this. I haven't installed it yet, obviously. I'm just going on what I see here. And so yeah, you can either attach it directly to your battery terminals so you can have constant power to it, because it doesn't draw much power. It's not like it's going to drain your battery. It's very very light on power draw. But if you want to really do it a nice way, you probably go into here and find a 12-volt source. To remove this box cover, just pull up on this tab in the rear here. The whole thing comes off. You'll probably want to do what's called an add a fuse. I'll put links where you can get those. Add a fuse. That way you can pick out a 12-volt switched source and just add a little pigtail to it so that your positive wiring can come off of here. That's what I would do personally. That's what I'm probably going to do. That way you can have it where it only comes on when the car is turned on and it's not drawing power 24/7. So anyway, that's what it could. If you want to do anything like that where you're trying to use a fuse area that is switched power, look up a product called Add a Fuse. Totally brilliant, simple little device. You can get it at almost any auto parts store. Just make sure you use the correct size of fuse, and it's totally brilliant. Anyway, that's what I'll probably do is add a fuse. And yeah, totally slick. But yeah, the tricky part though is going to be cutting this portion out, and then you got to find a way to get underneath there. So you may have to remove some of the skid plate underneath here to get back behind it without removing the bumper. That's our goal here, is because we're about to replace all the headlight assemblies, taillight assemblies with new ones. So once we take this off, we can probably reach right behind here and get down in there. So that may be an option also. Just remove your headlight assembly. You know, it's got a few Torx fasteners here. So remove all that. That way you can just reach your hand down in there. That looks like it'll be the easier way for doing this. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just seeing a few things, giving you some tips. And it looks like a fairly straightforward, easy install. And the old logo is right there. Anyway, I'll do another video if there's other things we see you might need. But that's it. Focus ST, killer little car. And she loves the heck out of it for sure. And see other videos on our channel about it. And if you like what you see here, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Feel free to send us a donation. We really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.